Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my lecture 3 for English, class 2. Naushin Mirza here, your English teacher from Divisional Public School, Model Town, Lahore. The contents of today's lecture are the basics of creative writing and I'll give you sample sentences for creative writing as well. Let's do it. The basics of creative writing are the students are always encouraged to use their imagination, to use their ideas, to write about the given topic. So in that case, there is no right or wrong answers. Just try to think and so in that way, try to write whatever comes in your mind. Try to be as creative as possible. Try to relate day-to-day activities within your essay, and that would be very delightful. And with that particular practice, try to have fun. Creative writing topic is my house. Write a paragraph on the topic my house with the help of given word bank. The words in the word bank are big, beautiful, rooms, walls, kitchen, study room, lawn, garage, safe place. Let's see what to do with the words. In creative writing, students are encouraged to do creative work by themselves, express their ideas, their thoughts, their feelings in simple sentences. I'll give you a sample of sentences for doing the creative writing as well. Dear students, now I'll give you few sample sentences for the creative writing. The first sentence that comes in our mind is I live in a big house. It can also be written like this I live in a small house. Next sentence comes in mind it is very beautiful. It has a kitchen. No house is complete without a kitchen, so there is always a kitchen in a house. There are 4 rooms in my house. You can see how many rooms in your house. There may be 2 or there may be 3 or 6. So count down the numbers of bedrooms and write it down. It has white paint on the wall. As you can see, all rooms have different colors. Sometimes it's pink, sometimes it's green or blue, etc. It has a study room also. A study room is a place where we do our homework and read storybooks. When we observe around, we'll find a lawn in our house as well. So you may write it has a lawn. Some houses have big lawn or some houses have small lawn or there may be no lawn at all. So you can see what type of lawn you have in your house. It has a garage. Similarly, there may be a big garage or a small garage. It is a safe place for me as our house is the safest place for all of us. I really love my house. I hope you have learned how to write creative writing now. Let's see what comes in the home task. Write few lines on my bedroom. I hope you have learned how to write creative writing. Now it would be easy for you to write on any given topic. Learned a lot? And if you have any questions and queries, do inbox me or comment below in the comment box. I am here to guide you, to help you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.